So guys, welcome all of you in Make Web Better sessions of demo video and tutorials. Today we are back again with the demo video on our newly developed membership plugin for your WooCommerce store. Yes, today we are going to introduce you with membership for WooCommerce, the WordPress plugin that will help you give huge membership benefits to your potential customers and get the recurring revenue. So this is Munam from Make Web Better, and in this today's demo video I will explain you about the working of membership for WooCommerce plugin on your WordPress website. But before moving towards the front end and the back end settings, let's understand the basic concept of membership for WooCommerce plugin and how it will give huge profits to the online merchants or a WooCommerce merchant. So basically, membership for WooCommerce is a plugin that will help the online merchants to create and sell membership to their customers and let them feel awarded with huge benefits. Moreover, the admin can also assign membership levels to their customers manually anytime they want. So guys, this was all about the membership for WooCommerce plugin and what does it do. Now let's start the demo video and understand the front end and the back end settings and its working. So at the end of the video, I will be briefing you about the major benefits of the plugin for your business growth. So guys, do not skip the video else you will not be able to understand the entire process. So now let's move to WordPress dashboard and click on memberships. So here you can see these are the 6 functionalities that I will be explaining you one by one in this demo video. So the first is overview section. So in this overview section, you will get to know about the basic concept of the plugin, what does it do. You will also come to know about our upcoming features that will be included in our Pro plugin. So you can check it from here. So next I am going to explain you about the global settings. So with this functionality, you will be able to enable the membership plan. So from here, the first functionality is enable membership plans. So from here, the admin can enable the membership plan which he want to offer to the customer. So from here, he can enable it. Next is delete data at uninstall. So this will erase all the data when the plugin gets uninstalled. Next functionality is show history to user. So by enabling this, this will allow the customers or the users to show the plan history in membership tab on my account page. Next is email subject. So here you can add email subject which will be sent to the users or the customers when they make a successful membership purchase. Like you can write thanks for purchasing. So this will be sent to the customer when they make a successful membership purchase. Next is email content. So here you can write the content which you want to send to the customer when they make a successful membership purchase. Next is attach invoice to email. So here you can enable it. So if you have enabled this attach invoice to email, so the invoice will be attached to the email when it will be sent to the customer. So next is invoice company address. So here you can add the company address by writing the address in this box, or if you haven't written any address, so the default address will be added in this invoice. Next is invoice company phone number. So here you can add the phone number, company's phone number, by writing in this box, or by default the number will be added in the invoice. So similarly, this is invoice company email. So here you can write the company email that will be added in the invoice, or if you haven't written any email, so by default the email will be written in this invoice. So if you want to if you want to attach a logo, company logo, you can attach it by uploading the logo from here, and after doing all the settings, you have to click on save changes. So all the settings have been changed for the global settings. Next, we are going to see the all membership plans. So from here, we will see how we can create and see the created membership plan. So here you can see that these are the two plans which are already created, like bronze plan and the basic plan. And the membership plan cost, here you can see that it is of €100 and it is of €50, and the membership plan status is live for both of the plans. Now let's see how we can add a membership plan. So here you can name the membership plan like Here you can add the membership plan. So after you have selected the title for the membership plan, here you can see this is the message that will be displayed when the customer clicks on any membership product, and this message will be displayed like for example, if you have written for buying this membership plan you will get a 10% discount on membership product. So this message will be displayed on the product whenever customer clicks on a membership product. So here you can write a message whatever you want to give to the customer. Next is create plan. So from here the first option is membership plan amount. So by membership plan amount you can enter the amount for which the customer has to pay to purchase the plan. Like for example, if you have written 200, so the customer has to pay 200 for buying this membership plan. Next is access type. Here you can select for how much time you want to give the access to the membership to the customers. Like if you want to give the access to the membership lifetime or limited, you can select it from here. Next is offered products. So here we can add the product on which we want to give the offer in membership plan. Like for example, we can write belt. So if we have written belt, so the if the customer has purchased this plan, so for this belt will be available in this offered product. Next is offered categories. Here you can select the categories if you want to offer in the membership plan. So here you can select the offered categories. Next is accessibility type. So this feature will be is available in our pro version, and I will be explaining you this feature in our next demo video. So next is membership feature section. Here you can give the discount according to your choice. Like on belt, if you want to give a discount of 10%, 20%, whatever you like, you can select it from here. Next is allow free shipping. So you can enable it from here. With this by enabling this will allow free shipping who opt for this membership plan. So then all the settings have been saved and you have to click on publish. So we will see all now we will see all membership plans. So here you can see that the membership plan has been created as diamond, and here you can see the plan cost that we have chose, that is euro 200, and it is also live. Next we are going to cover up is shortcodes. So guys, in this section of the plugin you will get all the shortcodes that you can use to enable all the membership actions like buy now, no thanks, and the membership plan features, for example title, price, and the description. So for if you have selected this membership plan title, so this shortcode will return the title for the membership. So here you can use the shortcodes, different shortcodes for enabling the different plan features. So next we are going to see what are the supported payment gateways. So these are the two payment gateways that a customer can opt for buying the membership plans. The first one is advanced direct bank transfer, and next is PayPal checkout. And from here the admin can set up membership supported payment gateways. So after managing and setting it up, the admin can save changes from here. So after this we are going to click on all members. So this section will show you the list of all the customers having the membership plans, including ID, membership status, username, and the expiry date. So here you can see this is the membership IDs, and this is the membership status that whose status is pending, who's on hold, and whose membership status has been completed. And here is the username, and here are the expiry dates. So here you can check it from here. So all the settings from the back end have been done. Now let's move to front end and see how these settings will work on the front end. So now we are on the shop page, and here you can see that these are the different products, and some of the products are categorized as membership products. So this is because on the back end we have selected these products in the membership plan. So the customer can only buy these products if he buys the plan for the membership. So let's click on this product beanie. So as soon as we click on this beanie, here you can see that the pop-up, and here it is written become a basic plan member and buy this product. So this means the customer has to buy the basic plan for buying these products. So let's click on this. So as soon as we click on this, here we get the option of buying this plan, and the cost of basic plan is euro 50, and here we are getting the message like get the basic plan to get a discount of 2% on selected products and categories. So the customer will get a 2% discount if he buys this plan, and he can buy the products which are listed in this basic plan. So this message is displayed because on the backend settings, when we are creating the membership plan, so we get the option of writing a message that will be displayed on this front end. So this is because of that this message is displayed on this. So let's click on buy now. So as soon as we click on buy now, here we get the option of filling the billing details. So you have to fill the billing details, and next you have to move towards next step. Next step, you have to mention the address details, and after you have mentioned the address details, you have to move towards the next step. So next, the option we will get is the two payment gateways that you can opt for paying the membership plan. The first is advanced direct bank transfer, and next is PayPal. So you can choose any one of them to pay for the membership plan. So as soon as we click on PayPal, we have to log in the credentials. We have to enter the credentials. So as soon as we have entered the credentials, we have to click on login. So now here you can see that we are directed to this page where we can select the one of the three options to pay with, like Visa, Credit Union, and Discover. So I have selected Visa, and I will be next I will be clicking on Pay Now. So let's click on Pay Now. So as soon as we have clicked on Pay Now, we will be directed to this window where this pop-up will come like thank you for purchasing the basic plan. So this means that we have purchased the basic plan, basic membership plan. So now we can buy the beanie which was listed in the basic membership plan, and we can also buy some other products which were listed in the basic membership plan. So this was all about the demo video of membership for WooCommerce plugin. So I want to rewind all the functionalities that I have explained you in this demo video. So I have explained you how you can enable the membership plan in general settings, and how you can attach invoice to email. Next, I have told you how you can add membership plan and customize it. And I have also explained you about the different shortcodes and how you can use them. Next, I explained you about the supported gateways. So guys, now it's time to understand why you should have membership for WooCommerce in WooCommerce store. As in the start of the video guys, I had told you to explain, so let's understand it. It will help the admin to increase customer loyalty by providing them with membership that will allow the customers to enjoy the benefits of membership programs when they shop for any product, and which in turn will increase customer retention and get recurring revenue. So with the membership for WooCommerce plugin, the online merchants will be able to implement various features, including the admin will be able to allow the customers to see the details, each and every details related to their membership plan right into their My Account section, and the admin will also be able to set the discounts on the products for the customer according to the membership plans, and he will also get the access to enable the option to provide free shipping to customers in membership plans. The admin can also assign membership to customers manually, and the admin can also send email PDF invoice to customers when they purchase a membership plan, and he will also get the option to enable to delete the plugin's data when the plugin is uninstalled. We will also get the admin will also get the access of payment gateways such as advanced bank transfer, PayPal smart button, and he can also download the CSV file for all the details of the members. And in addition to that, he will also get shortcodes that will help you enable the different membership plans and actions on your online stores. And the admin can also define different statuses for members according to the plan expiry and payment. So guys, this is how membership for WooCommerce plugin will help you reward your customers with amazing membership plans and its huge benefits including discounts. So grab it now for your WooCommerce store and get started to win maximum customer engagement and increase customer retention with membership plans. So you must have noticed that how this plugin is important for an online merchant, to increase the customer loyalty and increase the revenue. So if you have any queries regarding the video, you can put the queries in comment section and we will be glad to help you. Thanks for watching the video. Stay connected with us.